If you're wondering how to optimize your Practice Better pages for speed, you're in the right place. Slow loading pages can impact your user experience and affect client retention, so let's dive into the steps you can take to speed things up and get your site running at its best. First off, start by optimizing images. Large image files are one of the biggest culprits of slow loading times. You need to make sure your images are compressed without sacrificing quality. Tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim can help reduce file sizes significantly before uploading them to your Practice Better page. This will immediately help with speed without compromising the visuals. Next thing, caching. Practice Better already offers caching to speed up your page loads, but there's always room for improvement. If you're using a custom domain, make sure to enable browser caching. This stores certain elements of your page in the user's browser, so when they revisit, your page loads faster. It's a small tweak that goes a long way. The third thing to keep in mind is minimizing third-party scripts. Many third-party tools like analytics, widgets, or chatbots can be useful, but they can also slow your page down if overused. Audit the third-party integrations you're using on your Practice Better pages and remove any unnecessary ones. The fewer external scripts your page has to load, the quicker it will be. Now, let's talk about mobile optimization. Mobile traffic is only growing, and if your pages aren't optimized for mobile, you're losing potential clients. Ensure that your design and images automatically adjust to smaller screens. Practice Better is mobile-friendly, but always double-check your pages to avoid elements that might break on mobile devices, like large images or improperly sized buttons. The fifth thing, speed testing. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Jeetmetrics to analyze your Practice Better pages. These tools give specific recommendations on what you can improve, like reducing server response time or optimizing CSS/JS. Run these tests regularly to see if your optimizations are working. Finally, if you want a more robust solution for faster page loading and better site performance, consider alternatives to Practice Better. While Practice Better offers many great features, there are competitors out there that specialize in speed optimization for service-based websites. These options often provide more control over speed-enhancing features like CDNs and advanced caching, and can help you achieve even better performance for your pages. To wrap up, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial to the software we've just recommended, along with some amazing alternatives that are better for optimizing your site's speed, all with their own free trials. These options are designed specifically to help achieve faster page loads with less effort. Check out the link in the description for more details and to get started with the best free trial available, exclusively for our viewers.